What up guys, welcome back to Disruptor Trading. Today is December 29th, 9 o'clock in the morning West Coast. Today is also day 15 of my small account challenge. And today I'm holding 5 contract puts about the dip of the 9 moving average, that gray line right here. Looking to add more at the break of the low day, which is also the 473.75 cents. And if you look at the Fibonacci on the 1 hour and the daily time frames, 473.75 is a critical level. If we break 473.75 to the downside, we're gonna get a huge move down. Huge move down. Oh my god, there we go, we broke it. We broke it. I added right here. I'm looking for the 50 cents now, the psychological $half. Let's go to the 50 cents. Going to add more at the break of the 50 cents. Gonna right spy all the way to the whole dollar, the 473. Here's 65. Come on, you got this. It's not done. I don't think it's done. There we go. There we go. Let me see the 50 cents. Come on, go break that 50 cents. You're right there. Come on, make a new low. We have triple bottom on the 5 minute and the 1 minute. We have a triple bottom. We need to break that, otherwise I'm out. Come on. The third time is the charm. There we go. We made a new low. We broke that triple bottom. Let's break that psychological $half, the 50 cents. Come on. You got this. Let's break that 50 cents. Come on. There we go. There we go. I sold. I'm selling. Nice. 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 I could have held for more, but the last 2 days were red days. It's a beautiful green day. But the dip of the 9 moving average, hold it all the way to the break with a psychological 50 cents. Made over 20%. It's a beautiful day today. So, thank you guys for watching, and if I see another opportunity, I'll start recording again. Peace out and happy trading!